so basically those races were okay. According to Newtoff, I'm keeping up with the guys that are faster with me. It's just tend to give up the line a little too easily or position too easily. So I think I need to work that. Work on braking a little bit later than normal, and then go from there. Right now we're waiting for the next set of races. Yeah, once that gets started, then we'll be off to the races.
Feeling good? We all feeling good?
I think so. Are we doing the rolling start again?
What's up?
Le Mans start again?
No, this is just qualifying. So you're just gonna go for your fastest time, all right?
Oh, we actually have time?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys out like a couple seconds apart. Just go as fast as you can.
Okay.
8 laps.
All right, cool.
All right, ready?
He was like, yeah.
Yeah, we're all like.
I got hit by like a...
You're sitting video.
Oh, like it was coming down the straight.
Yeah.
That's all I'm in. I give like a little nod.
It's all video. If you did this, you'd have been like, you would have had a good
Well, I was coming down, I saw him, and I was just trying to give like a little nod.
Part number 11.
What did I get?
You are sitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, P6 with a 58.87.
That's not bad.
Pushing was a pushing one. Yeah.
Turn. When you turn, the whole thing I realize is he's not braking as much. Like it just brakes and it just lets go.
Dude, this one time he locked up bad.
Yeah,
I was right behind. I was oh shit.
He locked up over there too.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Yeah, I mean I'm trying to tap the brakes like I do in Audubon.
Well, he freaking brakes right. Like as soon as I see him brake, and he turns.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to do. I saw that.
Super
I was like,
late
fuck.
brake. Super late braking.
I'm scared to do that though.
Super late braking. He has good balance.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do. But, it's good. But he brakes, lets go of the gas and then turns.
Right.
And on the other side, what we tend to do is brake and turn at the same time and we spun out.
Well,
Brake
you do
and
that in
turn.
Audubon too. You brake and turn, right?
Yeah, but since we want to feel like it's just like a general thing for us, you know, like we might have a little break and then be still turning at the same time, you know.
Right.
Versus as a racer, you're like just let off the brake. That's what we need to try. That's what you should try. Try that, even if you lose time.
So
or
scary, dude.
I know.
So fucking scary.
I saw two people like brake right very as soon as they hit the brake, they just turn. It's freaking amazing.
My thing is like, I mean, I know I have more downforce with the weight, but it's like, it's just.
You don't need.
Turning, I feel like I'm gonna fall over.
Yeah,
You know?
but when you turn, make sure you transfer your weight where you
Yeah.
turn. You should do that. You'll get
I always
more
thought I
grip.
was told that you were supposed to lean with it so that all the weight goes
obviously
in.
you gotta lean
Yeah.
with it. Or you be not doing it?
No, I have.
Oh, okay.
I have.
You gotta lean with it where you turn because you get more inside traction.
Right. What's up, guys? So that was the very first quali race for the night. The race before that, if you didn't know, was a practice race, so it doesn't really matter. But this one mattered. I actually didn't race too bad. I finished technically P3 for that race, but I ended up getting a 58 seconds, which puts me actually at P6 for the overall. There's 10 racers here, and so that's not bad. The guy in front of me, the guy that passed me, as you can see, he just took off. As soon as he got behind me, he caught up to me very quickly, and I just couldn't stay with him. I'm almost guaranteeing that a lot of this is just all weight. I mean, being 250 pounds and racing with guys, it's just not. I can't be competitive, you know. It's just there's no way when I don't have that extra juice. I feel like I should have like a nitrous bottle in my cart. Yeah, I should be allowed to be able to press the button and have a little extra just to kind of. I should have ERS.
You should.
I should have ERS for sure. I tried drafting too. That actually worked.
Yeah, well, obviously.
Yeah, it worked a little. I mean, it's
behind
carts
him and
though. But I'm saying I stood right behind him the entire time.
You should duck. But that's what I used to do when I was behind you.
Uh-huh.
I was right behind you and then I just started ducking and it made me go a little faster. It's just the drag.
Yeah. Man, you're in the vlog more than I am, buddy. Well, I mean, I guess I can't be too upset. I'm pretty happy with how I raced for the most part. I think I can do a lot better. But now it's a position race, so I mean, I'm hoping to take my turns a little bit better, a little bit more clean. I don't know what else to say. I mean, right now it's just like trying to keep my balance and make sure I'm ahead of everyone because, I mean, P6, if we're splitting up in two groups, that means I'm first in the bottom group, which isn't too bad. I just need to make sure that I keep that spot. So, I don't know. We'll see. I need to find Jared because I want to know what times I got.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.